da, 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 da. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Guys, it has been a crazy, like, this my blush today looks like a clown's blush, but I really don't care. Anyway, it has been a crazy couple of days since my brother and Lotoya got into town, and for every day that has passed since then, new people are coming into town every day, so it's been crazy. I was so glad to finally meet Lotoya. Like, she's such a sweet human being. Like, you guys have absolutely no idea. She's so sweet. And yeah, and it was also fantastic seeing my brother again, even though we barely saw like 3-4 months ago. But yeah guys, so today is going to be their photo shoot, their pre-wedding shoot. Yeah, they did a shoot, you know, in the US sometime last year, which you guys will probably have been seeing the pictures on, you know, my status here and there, or the last vlog that I used it as my thumbnail. But because Jesse is the official wedding photographer, he has to have his own pre-wedding photos. Okay, we have to have the one that I'm gonna snap here to post at least a day or two to the wedding. So that is what we are doing today. I'm going to meet them up at the hotel where they're staying, and then take them to the makeup studio where she'll be getting her makeup done. Yeah, so it's going to be fun. My sister also came into town today. I haven't seen her yet, but I probably will see her in the evening once this whole shoot is over. Lotoya's parents are also coming in this evening. Like, a lot is going on. Like, guys, a lot is happening. Dress fittings, dresses not fitting, amendments. Like, it has been mad. It's been crazy. I've been having a headache. My voice is going already. I'm stressed, but I'll be fine. Okay, we've come this far, so we will be done with this in no time by God's grace. So yeah, that's the plan for today guys, and you guys will come along with us as always.
Lotion then, but yes.
No, it works. It works.
Oh hey,
See that big booty. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so happy for them. I can't wait for it.
we're going to get makeup done in a bit.
Yes, makeup time.
That knock sounds like my dad's knock. I swear to you. So makeup about to be done. Let's go slay that face for this photo shoot. She's already looking on point. Oh my god. Wow. Concealer is so good though.
Isn't it? Oh
I know.
No, I with my wife to do makeup.
They do makeup. Why? Oh. What's the level? Cut soap. Who should cut soap for who? Between me and you. Look at this boy. Say it's cut soap for me. Well, we will see.
No, we have to. Like,
you said we have to. We didn't pay for makeup artists for you.
No.
But it's just, if it's just powder, we can do that for you now. Just,
If not my,
oh
my kids will be so early that day.
everybody needs powder, Sha, even guys. So pretty. Look at my girl. I wish Sasha was here to see this makeup.
Mama, men should be wearing makeup now.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Look at my face now. What are
Yes.
you,
Look at you. Checking himself out.
Thank you.
Hey. Give them. Hey.
How are you? What's poppin'? What's poppin'?
How are you? Aww.
Okay, my darling. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Thank you, my love. Hey, Melba in the building. In the building. Hey.
Every day, let us pray for good.
I think which level?
Is it at which level? Thank you, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Chiquita. How you doing? No crying. No crying. No crying. No. Mommy looks worn out. She looks exhausted. I know. I know. The mommy is amazing. I love. Hi, Yolanda. Oh, look at Daddy.
This is Charlie's mom.
Say hi. Aww, Daddy's girl. No crying, Lotoya. Promise.
Yes.
Mother of the groom.
Yes.
Mother of the groom. Mother of the bride. I see my cousin. My cousin. Cause Charis Limited. Cause Charis Limited. You're bonding with your niece. Your niecey niece. Your niecey niece.
My daughter, not my niece.
Oh, sorry, your daughter. Boy.
We go to New Jersey. Your eyes seen, I'll be worried. You said it was not.
Do you have any color in mind? Don't tell me you're doing red nails, please, dear. Mommy, you do red nails all the time. What have they grown? This woman's taking this very so seriously. She wants to do nails. She wants to do hair. She wants to do makeup every single day from today till Saturday.
Oh, my only son. Is that because I'm not working with my head? My only son. I beg.
So he's a beg.
I've done your own.
Remaining this person.
That one is next year. I'll plan that one.
I'm getting married to you, Abi.
I tell you.
I will do everything. Plan, do everything. Don't worry. I'll get the groom.
She'll get the groom for you. Yes, you.
I'm going to have another time. By the time it'll be the novena. Before I enter the fourth. Before I enter the fourth day of the novena, Nelly.
The husband will call my boss.
You will see someone that will sweep you off your feet. Before I enter the fourth day of the novena, to my lady of perpetual help.
Hey, so it's a perpetual help issue at this point. Oh my God! My own nails.
Much later.
It wasn't gonna make the trip, so there was no point. We are the KEKE. I put my bride inside KEKE. It was not my fault. It had to be done. We're running late somewhere and it has to be done. Oh my God. My brother will kill me if he hears I put his wife inside KEKE and her friends. He will kill me. But I have to do what I have to do, guys. I have to do what I have to do. Don't make it. I'm not even looking like why? No. KEKE is the best. No. Guys, it has been a crazy day. a day to the traditional wedding, 2 days to the white wedding, and my voice is almost going. I'm exhausted. I'm stressed. What's wrong with that person? What? Like, I'm stressed. Melba! I'm stressed, you guys. But anyway, I'm stressed, but I'm still moving on. Tonight, my mom's friends are hosting her to Mother's Night. It's like a little get-together, gathering kind of thing. When a mother is giving out any of her children in marriage, her friends would host her to like something nice, you know, a Mother's Night kind of thing. When I got married 5 years ago, they did it for her, and this year they're doing it even bigger. They plan it by themselves and everything. There's a dress code, everything, like it's mad. Anyways, that's what we're heading right about now. Dress code is yellow top shade and white pants. I mean white down. Alma is not even interested. But I'm wearing this my dress. Can you guys remember this dress from my Ankara haul? That's what I'm wearing. So it's like greenish yellow. Thank God for that. And then the lace down below is white. Thank God for that. So guys, that's what I'm looking like. So this is my outfit, guys. I think it's cool. Is it cool, Melba?
Kind of.
Kind of.
Yep.
You don't want to admit that I'm looking hot. Just say.
I told you when you entered the room.
Yeah. See Melba. Go girl.
I'll show them my dress now.
Hey, sorry, yo. Say show them my dress now. Hey, now wow. Hey.
Serve the groom, you know?
Yeah. Come on, girl. Give it to them. Yes. Yeah. I don't think I was this stressed when I got married. Legit. I don't think I was this stressed. But anyways, guys, let's move. Are you ready? I need to go and pick my bride. That's good, guys.
Look, it's a surprise, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby girl rise on me. My little baby girl ride on me. Maria, 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 every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, yeah, love. Everything go from Maria.
There is no mother-in-law. Baby girl Purple, this is your daughter. There is no daughter-in-law. So can I have your right hand and your own right hand, and then we're joining both of you in the name of the Father,
Amen.
the Son, and the Holy Spirit. This is your son. There is no son-in-law. Hello, groom. This is your mother. There is no
mother-in-law.
Can I have your right hand? Can I have your right hand? And put it together in the name of the Father.
Amen.
Amen. And these 5 who are going to support baby girl Purple, and 5 are going to support baby girl White. And then for the young ones, I need 3 here, 3 here. 5 baby girls from the older generation.
Every time be like Maria, Maria. Every time you look up for me. 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 She no island girl. She from Kilimanjaro. From Kilimanjaro.
Can you guess why? You're supposed to guess, don't ask me. Why?
Because we're gonna answer some questions.
No.
I say, we're gonna ask some questions.
No. Does anyone want to help them there? Ask a friend, ask a sister. Why do you think we'll have them start there? And why do you think their ears have to be open?
Because we're about to roast them.
Is you want to pray for them and you want to give them the best advice from all the beautiful ladies.
So that is how you work together to achieve one single goal. Together. You do it together. Not one person on one tandem, another one on the other tandem. No, it doesn't work like that. Talk about it. A discussion is a talk. Not a quarrel, not an argument, not pointing fingers, not saying last time. Last time is gone. We are here today. Yesterday is finished.
Yes.
We are facing a new future, a new time, a new problem that we need to solve if we are going to be laughing afterwards. We're not going to mom and dad to solve that problem. They've done theirs. So you do your homework yourselves. Okay? And work harder. None of your friends should know your plans. And none of your friends should know when you quarrel. Because when you're loving, they don't know. And what made you choose him? And what made you choose her? When you have that in your mind, every other thing will just melt away. Okay? That's the best truth I can tell you. Okay? Permit me to depart a bit from the angle from which you came. We are of a much younger generation than You see all these women here? They're all Christian women. We're all Catholics. And what we know how to do best is pray on our knees. Now, for those things that you see, we all pretend we are very holy. If you don't do those things, there are things we do behind closed doors. And after Saturday, he is all yours for the taking. And you are all his for the taking. And there is no specified place for it. Oh my God! Oh my God! Before the children come, the bedroom, the kitchen, the car. Let's go somewhere. Just enjoy it as much as possible. Even when the children start coming, they must learn to keep to their rooms. When daddy and mommy wants to be by themselves, come on. It should be exclusive. It's the other room. Forget that the other room. It doesn't work. Everywhere is the other room. Every corner of your house is the other room. Mommy, you're clapping. You must enjoy it. It's so bad. Wow! Mom! No two marriages are the same. You are not in competition with anybody. Yeah. Take it in your stride. Do it just the way you want to. And you know what is key, what is important, what is uppermost is your happiness. Both of you. To the exclusion of every other. Yes. Not your mother, not his mother, not any member of the family. Don't wake up one day and you say, oh, she's offended me. Let me call her. And she's telling you, brother, that it does not concern her. And as soon as that quarrel happens, you turn around, however you want to do it, do it. Nobody's going to tell you. But that is the truth. I found the one. I said, oh, really? Well, you know the drill, bring her home. And I gave my sign of approval. Okay? Because the Bible says that he who finds a wife and obtains favor. And since he found a good thing, he has obtained a lot of favor. The Bible doesn't lie. Okay? So, Auntie has given you all the advice. They have given you all the advice you need, but it's never enough. You're going to hear more of it over and over and over. The most important advice that I'm going to give you is, don't put me, your mom in the middle. Put God. Put God in the middle. Because a marriage that is built on 3 strands, you, him, and God, is not easily broken. It's not.
So permit me. I want to go from table to table. Over one name. Dr. Ngozi Ebuna.
I belong here.
One name Ken. Anetawo, my beloved sister. Go for to Maka. My sin.
I was.
She's the next mother of the bride. My April admin, my happening person, my chief organizer, my legal luminary. My the professional cake cutter, my legal luminary, Lady Atinko, Nekeri, my beloved sis.
Yes. You jumped.
I walk like one name. Dr. Claire Sewan, my beloved sister. Osana Chimo, Chigirl. If you saw how she was ordering me about today. Sit here, don't come now. Do this, do that. Chigirl. You ladies are the bomb. My chief executive, the banker. My sister, in whom I'm well placed. Another Chigirl. God bless you. And us money, if you're God bless you. And my beloved young friend, IJ.
More time with me. Do you want to be my wife, baby? I just want you in my life, baby. I like you, I like you, boy.